This one cooks with precision, dispenses ingredients automatically, serves dishes, and even cleans itself. With 1,000 built-in recipes, it promises speed and less waste. For busy kitchens, it sounds practical and surprisingly impressive to use. It starts as a cozy table for two and expands up to 10 feet to seat 12 guests. Built from wood with steel hardware, it resists heat and scratches. With easy built-in storage, it's perfect for any home. This company, Folding Solar Panel, is a practical solution built for easy transport and fast setup. Starting at 1,800 watts and expanding to 7,000 watts, it supports up to 24 panels. It is ideal for remote power needs, including disaster response and temporary event operations. Bushbeck bring together a barbecue, pizza oven, and fireplace. Models like the Elba and Rondo add more cooking options and an attractive focal point for patios and gardens. Temporary sidewalks make it easier to move across mud. They reduce slips and improve access. Made from durable materials, they handle foot traffic and some vehicles. Available with perforations and an optional filter sock, it helps move water away from lawns, gardens, and driveways. Its durable build and simple trench installation make it a practical drainage solution. These reusable garden bags make yard work much easier. They come in 120 liters, 300 liters, and 500 liters for everything from wet grass to light leaves. Decasson gazebos make patios feel more comfortable. Their double-vented roofs improve airflow, while netting and curtains add privacy and keep bugs away. Easy assembly and practical features, including grill-friendly designs, make them a reliable choice for relaxing and entertaining outside. Meet the Chicken Caravan 130, a practical mobile coop built for modern egg farming. It holds up to 130 laying hens and includes smart features like roll-away nests, a conveyor belt for easy egg collection, and solar-powered automation. The raised design improves drainage and makes gardening easier on your back. Easy to assemble and fit into small spaces, it's a practical choice for vegetables, herbs, or flowers. Here we have a smart pool alarm that helps keep your pool area safer. It uses an AI camera, underwater motion sensor, in-home alarm, and app to detect real risks while cutting false alerts. It sends rubbish and recycling outside through a sealed chute, cutting smells, mess, fruit flies, and constant bin runs. The design looks sleek and works in new or existing homes. Clapster is a smart folding staircase made for small homes. It comes in 3 models, from spacious comfort to compact ultralight, with sturdy birch construction and customizable finishes. systems combine smart technology with strong energy efficiency for homes and businesses. Models like the Infinity 26 air conditioner and Infinity 24 heat pump gives precise temperature control and better humidity management. Under the bed is where random things disappear. Lone socks, old magazines, mystery gifts, maybe even a birth certificate if you're balking enough. But a TV? That's possible too. An underbed TV lift hides your screen neatly beneath the frame and then raises it with one button. TovNet Solar Cam records 4-megapixel video and runs up to 5 days on one charge. It connects over Wi-Fi and includes two-way audio, night vision, and smart motion detection. Perfect for your home. CoreDrive makes gravel surfaces stronger, neater, and easier to maintain. Its tough honeycomb panels spread weight evenly, helping prevent shifting under cars and foot traffic. A built-in geotextile layer stops gravel from sinking and keeps weeds down. This powerful tool is built for more than just blowing air. With strong airflow, adjustable speeds, and a handy turbo mode, it can clean electronics, inflate gear, dry surfaces, and vacuum. Lucy Gold's tabletop door turns a basic bulkhead entrance into something far more useful. Made from aluminum, it holds on rain and salty air very well, while gas pistons and stainless steel hinges keep it safe to use. Designed and built in the US by a family-run company, it blends durability and an attractive look. Grinlos underground cellars offer a reliable way to store vegetables, fruit, preserves, wine, and emergency supplies. Fully sealed, insulated, and ventilated, they keep contents fresh year-round. Delivered, ready to install, they are easy to place underground with optional shelves and ladders.